All right, great. So next question reads, a quadratic equation has a discriminant of 12. Which could be the equation? So the discriminant helps us is a, I guess, formula which helps us to determine the amount of zeros that a quadratic function has. And the discriminant can be written out like this. So discriminant d is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So in this question, they tell us that the discriminant is equal to 12. So they want us to look at each of these options and evaluate which of these discriminants apply to which of these equations. So easy enough, we just need to do a lot of calculations here. So the first one is negative x squared plus 8x plus 2. So our coefficients are negative 1, 8, and 2. So our discriminant here is going to be 8 squared minus 4 times negative 1 times 2. And that's equal to 64 plus 8, which equals to 72. So that's not our discriminant that applies here. What about number 2? So 2x squared plus 6x plus 3 equals 0. A, B, and C, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 6, C is equal to 3. So that's going to be 6 squared minus 4 times 2 times 3, which equals to 36 minus 8 times 3, 24, which is equal to 12. Okay. Our third one is going to be negative x squared plus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. A equals negative 1, B equals 4, C equals to 1. So that's going to be 4 squared minus 4 times negative 1 times 1, which gives us 16 minus plus 4, which is equal to 20. Okay, so that's not equal to our discriminant. And our fourth option is going to be 4x squared plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. And so b is equal to 2, so it's 2 squared minus 4 times a, which is 4, times c, which is 1. And that gives us 4 minus 16, which is equal to negative 12. We have found our answer, which is option number B, or option number 2. Okay, so calculating the discriminant is an easy way of determining how many zeros our quadratic function has. So if d is greater than 0, there's 2 zeros. If d is equal to 0, there is 1 0. And if d is less than 0, there is 0 zeros. There are no zeros. Okay, and this question basically asked us to calculate the discriminant of each of these quadratic formulas or functions and find which one corresponds to the discriminant of 12, which is option number B. So this solution is correct. Cool. All right, finally, we'll move on to our last question of the day, which is how do you find the vertex of a parabola? So while my question is loading here, I'll continue on.